Hello, hope you're fine. Now I will discuss Junior English book 3, page number 43, and the topic is adverbs. We know what is adverb. Adverb is a word which modifies specially verb, but it also modifies an adjective or another adverb itself. Here in the box we will find, see, Bill walked slowly down the lane. The word slowly tells us how Bill walked. He could have walked in several different ways, each of which could be described by one word. He can, examples briskly, leisurely, hurriedly, joyfully. Words that describes how actions are done are called adverbs, and I have told before a word which modifies or describes verb is called adverb. After that it's written, all the adverbs given end with ly, though some adverbs do not. Example, the doctor did his work well. Here see well, it's not written welly, so that's why it's told all the adverbs don't end with ly. Here it's written, when ly is added to some words, spelling changes are necessary. Change y to I, drop e. For others, no change is needed. Here we are finding, see, easily what we are doing, we are making y into I, then adding just ly. Same thing, merry, merrily, heavy, heavily, lucky, luckily. Here we are dropping e. Gentle, gently, e is not here, means e is dropped already. Same thing, true, truly, novel, nobly, humble, humbly, proud, proudly, glad, gladly, plain, plainly, quick, quickly. Here this is not following these two rules, this is following these rules. For others, no changes needed, only ly is added here. See, plain, plainly, quick, quickly, careful, carefully. Here we are getting that L is becoming double. Truthful, truthfully. Thankful, thankfully. Mental, mentally. So after doing this, we are getting some exercises, and we will complete those exercises to get clearer idea about this topic. A number exercise, here is written, write the adverb contained in each of these sentences. So let's start. Here I'm just underlining it. The farmer told the hiker plainly what he thought of him. Here we're finding the adverb, that is plainly. 2 number, Martin slept soundly all night. Here see, soundly is an adverb. 3 number, the gentleman raised his hat politely. Here, politely is the example of an adverb. 4 number, Susan waited patiently for the egg to boil. Here, of course, patiently is the adverb. 5 number, the bus driver spoke rudely to the old lady. Here, rudely is an adverb. 6 number, see, we all laughed heartily at the clowns in the circus. Here, heartily is the example of an adverb. 7 number, you should always try to speak distinctly. Distinctly is an adverb. 8 number, last one of a number exercise. 8 number, Sally cried bitterly when she broke her new glasses. Here, bitterly is an adverb. Now B number exercise, let's do. The question of B number exercise is, form adverbs from these adjectives, then use any 6 of them in sentences of your own. Here I'm just writing or making the adverbs. It will be your duty to make or use them in sentences. So here, rough will be what? Rough will be roughly. Vain will be vainly, only ly will be added here. Cozy, we will drop I and we will add ly. That's mean it will be cozily. Terrible, terribly, we will drop e. 5 number, joking, it will be jokingly, ly we will add. 6, equal, equally. Noisy, noisily, we will make y into I. 8 number, single, singly. Mad, madly. Able, ably. Haughty, haughtily. Loud, loudly. Hasty, hastily. Pitiful, pitifully. Sensible, sensibly. Nimble, nimbly. This is the turn to do C number exercise. Here it's written, complete these sentences with a carefully chosen adverb. So let's do, you can try it by yourself before my one and later watch what I am telling. It means pause it now and after finishing your work, watch my one. Here, Roger the dog snored. We can add here loudly. Mrs. Jones stomped dash along the road. We can tell Mrs. Jones stomped angrily along the road. James brushed his teeth thoroughly. The baby was red in the face and crying hysterically. And this is 5 number, Sam always sings beautifully. So today up to this we have done the page number 43 from Junior English book 3 and the topic is adverbs. Next day we will do page number 44.